Hey, what's going on? This is D Revolution. I am here to help you as a writer, help you as an author. Man, you guys wouldn't realize how hard it is to try to do everything and make these videos. I swear I've done everything I could today to get to this computer quicker than I have now. I mean, but anyway, nonetheless, this video, I've written four screenplays, three books, and I've recorded three poetry CDs. Please like this video, smash the like button. I need subscribers, so please subscribe to this page. I am here to bring you advice from a writer's perspective. I have 30 years in storytelling, writing. Um, So this video is for the people that's out there writing a book. This is happening right now as we speak. Somebody's losing their work. Somebody's uh, written all of this stuff, and then their computer breaks. They lose the work and things like that. So um, first, I just want to say that you can choose, different programs to write your book. When I started, it was a popular program called Scrivener. Um, I actually have Scrivener, but it was just a little bit. It wasn't user friendly enough for me, so I just went into a regular Word, Microsoft Word document. So I wrote my first book. Now, and I mean that was really simple. But I'm gonna tell you what happened with that. I wrote my first book in Microsoft Word. That went well, for my first book and things like that. Actually, I wrote my second book in Microsoft Word. But what happened when I started writing my third book in Microsoft Word, halfway through the book, my computer went out, and I lost some of it. The reason why I didn't lose all of it, and listen to me very closely, and this is something that I did with both my books. When you are writing your book, and let's say you write the first three chapters or whatever, pause when you're ready to finish for that day, and email yourself a copy of the book. And do this every couple of chapters, few chapters, or 4 or 5 chapters. So when my computer broke, I went back to what I emailed myself. I mean, from the point that I had emailed myself, the last time I had emailed myself, and the point where I was in the book, I did lose a little bit of the book. But very, very grateful that I did not lose the entire book when the computer broke. So I say that to you, writers, when you're writing. Oh, also, um, after that happened, and I went back to the email and I grabbed the book, then I started to understand. I said, Microsoft Word has been, has been great, but I was like, um, this could happen anytime. And I said, so then I went from Microsoft Word to Google Docs. And in my opinion, the cool thing about Google Docs is that when you write inside of Google Docs, no matter where you go in the world, in the country, when you log into your email, your document is going to be right there. And it saves automatically. It's just easier. So now I write my stuff in Google Docs because no matter when I leave it or how I leave it, or no matter if the computer breaks down, no matter what happens, that document is there as a part of my email. So I would suggest uh, that using Google Docs is probably the best and safest way to write your story. Because trust me, There are times where I'm writing and my computer freezes up or something crazy happens. That's just gonna happen with technology. So to keep your document safe, I think, just from my experience of writing a book, Google Docs is the safest way to protect your work. I'm D Revolution. I need subscribers. Please like and subscribe to my page. And go over to Facebook and join my Facebook group, Black Books for the United States.